So let's do question number 2, second part. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. This is the given situation that we have to represent in the form of quadratic equation. And to do that, first we'll assume the two positive consecutive integers. So let the two consecutive positive integers be x and x plus 1. This situation says that product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. So therefore, according to question, we have x into x plus 1 equal to 306. Simplify this. X into x, x square plus x into 1x equal to 306. Now transpose 306 from right side to left side, and this will become x square plus x minus 306 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation x square plus x minus 306 equal to 0 that represents this given situation, where x is the smaller positive integer. Number 2, third part. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's percentage. This is the given situation that we have to represent it in the form of quadratic equation. So first let us assume Rohan's percentage and Rohan's mother's percentage. So let the Rohan's present age be x years. Therefore, Rohan's mother's present age is equal to x plus 26 years, because Mohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So when we have assumed Rohan's present age x years, then Rohan's mother's present age will be x plus 26 years. Now, after 3 years, age of Rohan will be x plus 3 years, because his present age is x years, and after 3 years he will be x plus 3 years old. And age of Rohan's mother will be x plus 26 plus 3 years, which is equal to x plus 29 years. Now the situation says that the product of ages of Rohan and his mother after 3 years from now will be 360. So x plus 3 years is age of Rohan and x plus 29 years is age of his mother after 3 years from now. So therefore, according to question, we have x plus 3 into x plus 29 equal to 360. Simplify this. X plus 3, x plus 29 multiply. X into x square plus x into 29, 29x plus 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into 29, 87 equal to 360. This implies x square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360 equal to 0. And further this implies x square plus 32x minus 273 equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation which represents the given situation, where x is the Rohan's present age. Rohan's present age. Question number 2, fourth part. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Here first we have to assume the speed of the train to be x km per hour. So let's assume, let the speed of the train be x km per hour. Distance covered by the train is given 480 km. So therefore, time taken by the train is equal to 480 by x hours, distance by speed. Now in the question it is said that if the speed of the train had been 8 km per hour less, then the train would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance of 480 km. So now we are going to decrease the speed of the train by 8 km per hour. So new speed of the train, x minus 8 km per hour. Therefore, new time taken by the train will be 480 by x minus 8 hours. In the question, this condition is given that when speed of the train is reduced by 8 km per hour, then train takes 3 hours more for the same journey. That means 480 by x minus 8 hours is more than 480 by x hours by 3 hours. So according to question, we have 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x equal to 3. Let us simplify it. Take LCM of x minus 8 and x, which is x minus 8 into x. Then 480 into x, 480x minus 480 into x minus 8, 480 into x minus 8 equal to 3. This implies 480x minus 480 into x, 480x minus 480 into minus 8 plus 480 into 8 divided by x minus 8 into x equal to 3. 480x minus 480x cancelled. So 480 into 8 divided by x minus 8 into x, x square minus 8x equal to 3. Now cross multiply. 480 into 8 equal to 3 into x square minus 8x, and this implies interchange the sides. 3 into x square minus 8x equal to 480 into 8. This implies x square minus 8x equal to 480 into 8 divided by 3. X square minus 8x equal to, this expression you simplify, cancel 480 by 3, 160 into 8, 1280. Now transpose this 1280 from right side to left side. X square minus 8x minus 1280 equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation, where x is the speed of the train,